Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nikki. I kind of hate my name. I love JK. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a like. And if you're one of my subscribers coming back, welcome back. I don't know what that was, but we're a little hyped today because for the first time in forever I got a Boxycharm. My friend had it for the longest and he was telling me you should get Boxycharms, so I was thinking about it for the longest because I really do want it, but then I was like, what happened if they give me the products that I didn't like? What am I gonna do with those products? You know, like give them to a friend. But I decided if there is product that I don't like or that product that I don't want to try, I will be compressing it. I will be collecting it to include in a giveaway every 2 months, or every 2 months, or 3 would be a little too far, so maybe every 2 months or so. So yeah, I'm not sure yet. This is my first time getting Boxycharm. I signed up for the 1 month subscription, so this better be worth it, or else we are not doing any more of these videos. But if I like what I got in this box today, I'll be subscribed to the longer one, I guess. I'll just change my subscription from just 1 month to maybe a year. I don't know yet. Only if I like the product. If not, we are not wasting money because I waste enough money on other stuff. But yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay, we got the box open. Let's see what I got for this month. Kind of stressed. Oh, it said Hello Charmers. Let's look at it together. I didn't take a peek or anything because I wanted to be kind of surprised, but I also watched like a few videos about it, so I kind of know what is in it, but it depends. I don't know. Let's open. Okay. First thing I see is this Boxycharm card right here, and I'm pretty sure this tells you what you got in the box, how much it is, how you can use it, and so far I like what it says on here. Got some good products, and yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna go through them one by one, and then I'm gonna apply them on my face. That's why I came onto camera bare face. And yeah, so I'm gonna go from the top down according to the list, and I'm pretty sure this month theme is sunshine because that's what it says on the little card. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I got for this month Boxycharms is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. So this product right here. This is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protect against UV damage, and help reduce eventual sign of aging. Okay, I'm struggling to open it. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cool. I wonder what it smells like. It smells really clean. It smells like a spa. It smells really, really fresh. And how to use. You can use this as a booster or as a serum. Use as a booster, you can mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. It can be applied in the morning or evening. And for if you want to use it as a serum, you just apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. I don't think they mean like the dropper directly on the skin, just like maybe put it on your fingers, because I heard if you put it directly on your skin, it's a no-no, because that's how you transfer bacteria. And I think I'm gonna keep this product because it smells really good, and I really like vitamin C, because look at all these acne, these dark marks I have. So I think I might keep this, and I'm gonna try it for this video. The price for the serum is $49.95. For the second thing we have in here is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like. It says on here, get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. And the price of this liquid eyeshadow, I'm pretty sure, is $25. Just gonna give myself a little swatch. Let's see what it looks like. Kind of thin, very pretty, very shimmery, but very thin. That's what it looks like on my arm. You can barely tell it's there, but it's right here. Shining, 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 shining. Okay. The next item we have is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. So this is the palette right here. It's really pretty. I'm smelling it like if, oh my god, there's something wrong with me. But it says on the card, the Bronze in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. And this is on sale for $30. And let me open it up and show you what it looks like. These are the colors right here. It's really pretty. I feel like I would be using these 2 shades in the middle the most, and then using the darkest shade for eyeshadow and the lighter shade for eyeshadow too. This could be I can use this as a transition shade right here, so it's perfect. And it comes with a nice little mirror. And then the next item, we have the Alamar Cosmetic Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. This is the birthday suit lip gloss. It says on here, Alamar Cosmetic is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit Wink, a universal gorgeous pink diamond drip gloss. The price for this is $15. Oops. Oh, it smells like Hershey. So I did a little swatch right there. You can barely tell, but it's a really light pink. It's really pretty. Really pretty. The last item in my Boxycharm for this month is the Creme Shop Next Gen Blender Set. This is what it looked like. It says on the card, this is a duo of uniquely cut sponge designed to apply and blend cosmetic to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach place a traditional brush and sponge can get to easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. This is priced at $22. And let me try to open this real quick. Okay, these are the sponge right here. It's really soft, and I love the color. It's like a baby pink. This one is marble and this one is solid. It's really cute. I hope that the camera can pick up the marble and the unique shade right there. I don't really use, I used to use sponges for my makeup, and now I barely use it for my makeup at all. Maybe I'll try one of the sponges to set my under eye or something, but I won't be using it to blend out product because, you know, I'm poor, and it's not worth it to have your product suck up by a sponge. And then wipe off my face. I already washed my face earlier, but I just kind of want the coldness on my face again, so I'm using this washcloth. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting on all the product. The first thing I'll be using is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It's said to use 3 drops, so that's exactly what I am going to do. Oh, it's very thick, if you can see. It's like really thick. 1, 2, 3. I can't get over how good it smells. I'm gonna give it a second to soak in, and then I'm gonna apply my moisturizer on top of it, because like I said, I just washed my face and I didn't apply anything on it, and I wanted to apply the serum first, so yeah. It doesn't smell like watermelon or green tea or pineapple. It just smells really fresh, like a spa. Like, you know when you go to the spa, that fresh water smell? I know water doesn't have a scent, or maybe it does. I'm not quite sure. But it just smells like it. It's just so fresh. And then now I'm using my CeraVe SA lotion for rough and bumpy skin. You can get this at CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, whatever. I'm using 1 pump. Since I didn't get a brow product in my box like some people, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back with my cameras on, and we can move on to the next step. So the next step I'll be doing is my eyeshadow. I already laid down some concealer to prime it, and then now I'm gonna be using my bronzer palette that I received today, and sadly there's no name to it, but I'll be using this lightest shade as a transition color. Just gonna tap to kind of set the concealer. It's the Maybelline concealer, so it's kind of runny, so I'm just gonna set it first. Now I'm gonna up it 2 step and use the second to darkest shade, the second darkest shade, and just kind of focus this on the outer corner. And then blend in, but focusing it mainly on the outer corner. I'm not quite sure what exactly is going on with my eyelid, but can you see how right here is like super dark and there's like barely any pigment right there? I'm not sure if it's because I have brow hairs right there, that's why it's clinging so hard, or what, but it's not blending. Anyhow, I'm moving on from that. I'm gonna be using this Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Doesn't have any smell to it at all, but I'm gonna use this to kind of do a cut crease. It's really pretty. It feels kind of cooling. Like my eyeballs feel really cold for some reason. I was in my own world for a bit and just literally forgot that I was recording. But off camera, I finished up my eye, added a little bit of wing eyeliner, add my lashes, did my foundation, and then now I'm doing my concealer, and I'm gonna try using the Creme Shop Next Gen Beauty Blender. It's really, really pretty, and I just wet it and it really doubled inside. It's just so soft. This is what it looked like come right next to the packaging and to the other one. You see how it doubled in size? I'm just gonna blend out my concealer with it. I really hope that it doesn't soak up a lot of the product. It's really soft. It did kind of soak up some of the product, but I don't really mind. It was just a little bit, and plus I let my concealer sat there for a minute before I blended it out, so I don't think it soaked up that much product, but yeah, it did kind of soak up a little bit of the product. And then I'm pretty sure you can use this wet or dry, so now I'm gonna use it dry by applying my setting powder with it. I'm just gonna flip it over into this side, the flat side. Okay, now that my face is set, I'm gonna move on to bronzing, and I will be using that same Ace Beauty palette that I use on my eyes and contouring with, or bronzing with it. I'm gonna mix the two middle shade and then use it to bronze. Okay, so this is one side of my face with the bronzer and one side without. I really like the bronzer side. This powder is really beautiful, and it matches me perfectly. It's not too warm or too cool. Okay, so this is the last item in my box for today, and I already lined my lips a little bit and add a little bit of a nude pink lip liner on, so I hope. I love the way this lip gloss shine, the way it smells, but the one thing I don't like is the wand. It's so flimsy. Look, can you see it? I'm like, girl, how am I supposed to get my cupid's bow? This lip gloss feel really comfortable. Smells really good, and the way it shines, can you see the shine? It's pretty. This color lip probably doesn't match just the eye, but I don't really have that many lipstick or lip liner because I don't really wear that stuff a lot. But I think it looks good. It looks kind of purple in person. I don't know if I should take it off and redo it or what. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if I should buy another Boxycharm, if I should upgrade my subscription to 12 months or not. Also, let me know if you like any of the product that I showed today in my Boxycharm, and comment down below if you have Boxycharm or not. And if you do, what did you get in your Boxycharm this month? I keep doing this with my finger, and I don't know why, but yeah. I really do like this look. And look at the gloss. I can't get over it. It's so freaking shiny. That's so freaking pretty. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down what other video you would want to see from me. And yeah. Let me know if you want a tutorial on this hair. Nah, I don't like hair. Never mind. Don't comment down below if you